Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two contenders in the dashcam arena, battling it out for the title of the best on the market. In the left corner, we have the SUVCON dashcam, and in the right corner, the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K. Get ready for a showdown of epic proportions. Let's dive right into the comparisons. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: price. The SUVCON dashcam comes in at a price of $199, while the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K is a steal at just $89. That's a significant difference in price, but remember, it's not just about the cost. Let's see what these dashcams have to offer. When it comes to video quality, both dashcams have some impressive features. The SUVCON dashcam boasts a 3-channel setup with a 170 degrees wide-angle front camera, a 150 degrees cabin camera, and a 150 degrees waterproof rear camera. That's all-around protection right there. On the other hand, the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K shines with its 2.5K resolution, capturing crystal clear video at 2560 by 1440p. It's like having your own personal movie studio in your car. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dashcams. The SUVCON dashcam comes equipped with 4 infrared LED lights for clearer night vision. No more struggling to see what's happening in low light conditions. But wait, the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K takes it up a notch with its ultra-large f1.6 aperture and WDR technology. It's like having a superhero with night vision powers protecting your car. It's time to check out the extra goodies these dashcams bring to the table. The SUVCON dashcam offers G-sensor and parking monitor features. It automatically activates emergency recording and locks the footage when it detects sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary. Safety first, folks. On the other hand, the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K comes with a smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control. You can view and manage your recordings instantly on your smartphone. It's like having a personal assistant for your dashcam. Both dashcams have their strengths, but ultimately the decision comes down to your personal preferences and budget. All right, it's time to wrap things up and crown our winner. The SUVCON dashcam impresses with its triple camera setup and G-sensor capabilities, while the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K wows us with its high-resolution video and Wi-Fi app control. Both dashcams have their strengths, but ultimately the decision comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember, folks, whether you choose the SUVCON dashcam or the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K, you'll be making a smart purchase. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.